Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "Wannabe Thug Tries to Intimidate Police, Ends Badly."
Dude?
Dog! It ain't no, I'm a motherfucking dog, hoe ass nigga. Bitch ass.
Get out of my
Look, it ain't no acting with me. I'm gonna knock it loose. And I said I'll call case.
Chill the out. What's going on?
I'm chilling.
Apparently not. What's the problem?
Hey.
Do you speak?
Do it look like I need to speak to you?
Yes, it does, actually.
Okay, you got everything on you.
Correct. I have my camera on recording, yes. I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on here.
I mean, I'm basically standing in front of the stove.
Yeah.
And why are you in my face? She just said somebody tried to rob her stove.
6 feet away from me.
And she said anything can go and somebody try to stop. And them weird ass Mexicans up in there, you know they get f***ed like Kevin Coon. You was up in there getting your dick sucked by. Boom.
What is your name?
Amber Lamb.
That's not your name.
What's my name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Sergeant Beischer, what's your name?
What's your name?
We're not playing this game.
You sitting that shit.
Who are you?
Who are you?
So there's a couple ways. Go talk to her, figure out what we need to do.
With your weird ass. You walk down Kevin Street.
Stay here.
Bum, 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 bum,
Stay
bum,
here.
bum, 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 Hey, Latin Kings don't walk up like that in Chicago.
What the hell are you doing?
You ain't know I can do that, nigga? I'm an Indian, dude. What your camera doing it?
Back up.
What you doing?
The first thing I would be saying was take your hands out of your pockets. You know, I don't know if this officer is a little newer or whatever, but take your hands out of your pockets, because you don't know what these people got. You know what I'm saying? They could have a razor in they in their pocket or whatever, and just come out and slice and dice you. You know what I mean? You'll be looking like shredded cheese. Take your hands out of your pockets.
You're about to talk yourself into jail. Stop.
618 never leave the motherfucking Lady King's whole ass.
What is your name?
None of your motherfucking bitch. Catch every nigga that ever was selling dope to the heaven. Cause think how I would've.
You're good. Don't run. You just want to trespass to leave?
Looks like they want to arrest him.
Oh, so they want disorderly conduct, or
Yeah.
what are we doing? What's your problem?
You ever walk up on a Latin King before?
Could you tell me just what your name is?
Is you a Lord?
Huh?
Is you the Lord?
No.
Then why would you walk on a Chicago Lord like that?
I don't know who you are.
Boy, we'll blow you in Chicago. Don't ever come up on us.
Okay, cool.
Boom!
Good thing you're not in Chicago.
Fuck the big three. It's only me. Boom! 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 That's it, two ladies. Nigga, my birthday 7/13, nigga. My niece's birthday is 3/14. You don't want that. Boom!
Don't raise your hand
I
towards me.
already know my niece. We lit it up in a motherfucking green building, hoe ass nigga.
Go back by my car.
That's how I know Texas was. Boom!
Go back by my car.
That's Chicago.
You are not free to leave. Go back.
Bitch, I'm Lord.
Over here.
Don't touch my motherfucking shirt.
Go over here.
Dog!
Dude?
Dog! It ain't no, I'm a motherfucking dog, hoe ass.
Get out of
Two
my
wise you at my motherfucking chest, bitch ass.
Get out of my
Look,
face.
it ain't no acting with me. I'm gonna knock it loose. And I said I'll call case.
Chill the out.
You crazy. So shut the up. It's on me. It's on me.
Hey, we're not going anywhere.
You know, as I'm sitting here watching this, right, this person said something pretty interesting that I just want to look, because this person said something about, you know, she Latin King in Chicago and yada yada. But so when I look this up, right, and I know for the most part for these Latin gangs and stuff like that, you do have to be, you know, Latin descent, right? So it says here, the Latin Kings is an organization, street gang founded by Puerto Ricans in Chicago in 1954, traditionally requiring members to be Latin American descent. Do you think she's Latin? I don't know. You know, I don't know. But to me, she look black and act black. So I don't know. I'm not really getting the Latin from her. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm just like, I don't know. Maybe I could be wrong. But anyway, let's get back to it, man. I know you probably don't even care about that, but I just thought it was pretty interesting.
Stop. Go.
Yes.
Go. I swear to God, you do that again, you're going to fucking jail. Go.
I will blow this bitch. My best one.
See, I feel like this officer is newer because there's no way a seasoned officer is letting them do all of this.
So, none of your motherfucking business.
Get out of my face.
Ass on me.
You are not free to leave.
Slow down Florissant Avenues and all that.
Let's go. Hey, over here. Let's go.
You won't see him. And I don't know how long I'm supposed to.
We're going to handcuffs.
Yeah, just talking. Because I don't know how
It's about time. I don't know how many times she raised her hand to you.
Get grounded if you don't stop.
You in?
I promise you don't want that.
Yeah, I kind of figured that. Yeah, that's how you feel me, that. It's all good.
Sure, 20. Let's get her in this one here. All right, let's go for a second. Hey, you realize you did this to yourself, right? What are we doing?
He said, yeah, she wants her to be arrested for disorderly. She got in that woman's car out there.
Does she want something done?
Yeah, I'm gonna go talk to her. Pretty much, she's been trying to get her leave for an hour and a half. Threw the chips everywhere. She wants her trespass and she wants her hit for disorderly conduct.
Okay.
Threatening customers and stuff.
Huh?
Yeah, it was on camera. Yeah.
Still the fuck out, girl.
Boom!
Chill out.
Yeah, come on. The feds, because you knew it was the feds.
What is wrong with you?
Boom! Now y'all going to stay Grand City. I got to say, you got to put it in the wheelchair. Boom! So get up in. Bitch, did I pull my leg like that? How? Yeah, that's all I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you go ahead. Common sense. If it was mine, you dumb ass. Boom! Yeah! I'm 35 in this car with you. I don't know my motherfucking child, you dumb ass nigga. Same age. Boom! Boom!
76.95. One adult female.
Boom!
Starting is 55.7.
Yeah, weird ass. Yeah, you boom!
Boom!
Just like your daddy put. You remember Heat of the Night? Boom! You can't take Dallas. You can't get up in Dallas.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I told you can't get up in Dallas. Boom! They gon' who's your ass? You don't know how I'm rocking, y'all. Look, I'm gonna be on your motherfucking head down this motherfucker. Now I'm at your head, cause I'm a leg motherfucking king. Now respect my motherfucking name and my motherfucking name.
You won't even tell me your name. You won't even tell me your name.
Damn, you little bitch.
Well, you won't even tell me your name.
Bitch. That's how the feds talk. I'm gonna do it like this. Boom!
You won't even tell me your name.
F*** Big 3. It's on in me. Boom!
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 Yeah, that's how you want it. Boom! Do you want to stop? Do you want to stop?
What the f*** are you even saying?
Boy, Captain Cook said your love you whole ass. Boom! Boom!
Do you even know who you are?
Do you know who you are?
Yeah, I know who I am.
Okay, then why the f*** you ask a Latin King, that bitch in Chicago, you little hoe ass?
You're not in Chicago.
Bitch, you in the 618, you the land of Lincoln, bitch.
Yeah, good job.
Why you hold me right here with your hoe ass? Cause this shit is booming with them motherfucking Mexicans.
You are under arrest.
Okay, well I'm under arrest, but why you gotta come like that with your hoe ass? Cause I go blow your shit. You see my phone ring, you little hoe ass. We know that shit, nigga. We know that shit, nigga.
45 out of the station. Ending is 56.056.
We know when they last put me a fucking bag. Boom, boom,
boom, boom.
Like your bag.
Stupid dude, I'm so
Texas out. What? Don't tell me nothing.
Hey, you're not. There's no reason.
What is it? No.
No, I don't either. I don't either.
You gotta piss me off.
All right.
Boom! No.
Oh.
No, at this shit, 'cause I told y'all. I told you.
Okay, you know best.
Yeah, I told you niggas I'm coming. And I'm about to have my ground people kill you. I know that. Because I'm going to walk you like I told. Yeah, but you better do. And you better kill me. And you better kill me. That's how I was telling you. Ain't no all them niggas smash me.
Sounds so stupid.
They smash me. They smash me.
Hey, calm down.
They smash me.
Calm down.
Yeah. Yes, I'm going in my pocket.
You're under
Stop
arrest.
stepping on my motherfucking shoes.
All right. Why don't you just come in here, Lynn?
Stop.
And you're gonna go face down on this.
This could be an easy process. You can sit in here and be nice and warm, get your hot meal, we can be cool for the evening, but we're gonna stop being assholes to each other. That sound good? Let me get a hand.
Give me my stuff and respect that.
I'm gonna hook you up. I got you, I promise.
Yeah, you can chill out.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct, obstructing justice, resisting arrest, and battery. Leave a like if you enjoy.
Yeah, fucking nut job, man. This is insane. This is who y'all letting in y'all organization. Damn. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.